Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for a Trust Wallet account. So if you are wondering how to sign up on Trust Wallet account and have no idea on how to do that, then do not worry guys, I am here. Today in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to sign up for Trust Wallet. So if you want to learn how, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to sign up for Trust Wallet account, first of all tap on Trust Wallet application. After you tap on Trust Wallet application, you will be provided with this screen on your mobile phone. So go ahead and tap on first option, that is I don't have a wallet, since we are signing up for a wallet. Now it will ask you to set a password, so go ahead and set a strong password. Now you will be provided with this interface on your screen where two options are available, that is backup to iCloud, backup manually. So we all have to click on backup manually, so go ahead and click on the last option. Now make sure to check in the box, to check in these three boxes and tap and continue. Now you will be provided with several phrases, so you have to remember all of this. You can just note it down or click this with the other phone so that you could manage this phrase in the next screen. Guys, make sure never share your secret phrase with anyone. Store it securely because this is all it takes to open up your Trust Wallet account, so it is very confidential. So after you are done remembering this or noting it down, go ahead and tap on continue. Now you will be provided with this screen on your mobile phone, so tap the words to put them next to each other in the correct order. So you can just tap the words and then it will set up by itself. So go ahead and tap it according to its order that was seen in previous screen. After you're done verifying secret phrase, go ahead and tap on continue. It's all done guys, your new wallet has already been created. So it was the easiest way to create a Trust Wallet account. So if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll also be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.